Right now, I'm gonna build a house in the woods.
Hey, Mikey.
Let's get it. No, go ahead. You narrate.
It's stuck in the tree, but we were planning for this. We were ready for it.
Mike, this is what you do when this happens.
This is gonna be good. I can feel it.
That is crazy. A little update recap. This guy was leaning against a tree. We cut that tree down. That's that guy on the ground. This then decided to lean on the next healthy tree. So now we're cutting that. Oh, it's working. Michael, get ready to run. Oh, she is cracking, all right. Oh, wind. Is that rain? Bruh. Oh, she's coming. Go, 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 go. Holy shit. Oh my God, wow. We did it, Mikey.
Fucking huge, dude.